Hello friends, welcome back to Ulink's gardening channel. Today I am going to show you grafting ixora plant of different colored. The red colored and orange colored we are going to grafting. Now the first step is to taking a small stem or cutting from the orange plant of the ixora, and by using a sharp blade you prepare this plant stem for grafting. Now I am going to sharply cut this edge of this ixora stems in a V shape, and it is important to for the grafting purpose. Now guys, the stem is ready for grafting. The next step is to cut this stem from this red ixora plant. I am going to cut this part of this stem for grafting, and by using a blade you can cut this stem into halves for inserting the new cuttings inside this ixora plant stem. Now you can see that I am sharply cut this ixora stem. Now I am going to insert this new ixora stem inside this red varieties of ixora plant. Here you can see that I am properly insert this cutting into this ixora plant. Now I am going to cover this by using any plastic material. Now I am going to take a sellotape for covering this properly. You carefully cover and provide the adequate care for this ixora plant, because it may chance to develop the infections through the cuttings. Now it's ready.